Corrections. You can access the corrections area from the paper or digital corrections tiles on the dashboard, where the total number of outstanding corrections is highlighted. Or you can click on Corrections in the navigation bar on the left side. The most common correction type accessed from this area will be the v2.0 paper charts you hold on board. However, you will also be able to see certain physical publications and digital corrections. Every Thursday morning, a new set of weekly corrections is imported into Compass, after which you should receive an email notification once these corrections are ready for you to review, print, and apply. Within Corrections, select the correction type you wish to make, followed by the year and week. If you choose to, you can also filter the correction list by folio. The corrections matching your selection will be shown both on the map and in the table below. From here, you can do your corrections in the way that best suits you. There are 3 options for printing and applying corrections. Firstly, and most commonly, you can do the corrections individually by viewing them from the map or the corrections table and printing them as required. Once you have applied them, tick Applied on Compass to confirm and record the correction. Secondly, you can print and apply all corrections for a single week by selecting the product folio and choosing from the drop-down menu what you'd like to print. By clicking the Apply Corrections button, you can confirm the application of these corrections. Lastly, you can print and apply a range of weeks together using the Week Range options by clicking the Print Range or Apply Range buttons. Applied corrections will carry the name of the user applying the correction. This log will be saved within Compass. Should you need to change the user's name, this can be done via the Settings/Profile form, accessed through the user icon at the top right-hand corner of the page. If you require a demo or any more information, please contact your yacht manager.